Hello everyone, welcome back. Now we will be writing code for our logging system where we will be accomplishing these two important tasks. First, we will be implementing our structured logging implementation. This structured logging is being essential for debugging AI systems with complex multi-step reasoning. When our personal assistant is making multiple decisions and processing complex requests, we are needing detailed logs to understand what is happening at each step. We will be implementing structured formats with timestamps that are making logs searchable and analyzable. This is allowing us to quickly find specific events and understand the sequence of operations in our system. We will also be setting up console and file output configuration. So our logs will be appearing both in the console for immediate feedback during development and saved to files for later analysis. Then we will be working on our debug levels configuration. We will be setting up different debug levels for our logging system. We are having debug level. This is for detailed troubleshooting, state changes, and decision points. This is giving us the most granular information about what our system is doing. Next, we are having info level. This is for general operation tracking, tool calls, and user interactions. This is showing us the normal flow of our application. Then we are having warning level. This is for potential issues that are not breaking functionality but might be needing our attention. Finally, we are having error level. This is for serious problems that are preventing normal operation of our system. So let's be getting started with building this comprehensive logging foundation for our personal assistant. Now let me be opening our logger.py file and starting to write the code for our logging system. First, I am importing the required modules. So I am importing logging. This is giving us access to Python's built-in logging functionality. Then I am importing sys. This is allowing us to access system-specific parameters and functions, particularly for console output. Next, I am importing datetime from datetime. This is helping us to work with dates and timestamps for our log files. Then I am importing path from pathlib. This is giving us a modern way to work with file paths. Finally, I am importing optional from typing for better type hints. Now I am creating our main setup logger function. This function is taking a name parameter of type string and a level parameter that is defaulting to info, and it is returning a logging logger object. First, I am creating the logger using logging.getLogger with the provided name. Then I am adding a check. If the logger already has handlers, I am just returning it to avoid duplicate configuration. Next, I am setting the logging level. I am using getData to get the numeric level from the logging module, converting the level string to uppercase and defaulting to logging.info if the level is not found. Now I am creating the logs directory. I am creating a path object for logs directory and using mkdir with exist ok equal to true. So it is creating the directory only if it doesn't already exist. Next, I am creating two formatters. First, I am creating a detailed dot formatter with timestamp, logger name, level name, and message using a specific date format. I am creating a simple dat formatter that is just showing the level name and message. Now I am setting up the console handler. I am creating a stream handler that is writing to sys.cdow, setting its level to warning and adding the simple formatter to it. Then I am adding this handler to our logger. Next, I am setting up the file handler. I am creating a log file name using the logs dir, actory, and current date in YMDD format. Then I am creating a file handler with a pen mode and UTF-8 encoding, setting its level to debug and adding the detailed formatter. Finally, I am adding this handler to our logger. I am setting logger.propagate to false to prevent propagation and avoid duplicate logs. Finally, I am returning the configured logger. So guys, we are now being done with our logger setup. We are having successfully implemented our structured logging system with proper debug levels, console and file output configuration, and timestamp formatting. Our logging foundation is now being ready to help us debug and monitor our personal assistant as we are building it. In the next session, we will be starting to write the code for our memory architecture implementation. We will be working on our conversation history implementation. This is being different from simple chat history. We will be maintaining a rich contextual database. Since language models are being stateless, we are needing memory for coherent interactions. We will be storing message roles, timestamps, metadata, and maintaining persistent context across sessions. Then we will be implementing our smart trimming strategy. This smart trimming is preserving important information while managing token limits effectively. This is enabling natural contextual conversations and relationship building with our assistant. We will be implementing proper context management for long-term interactions. This memory system is being crucial for making our personal assistant truly intelligent and contextually aware, so it can be remembering previous conversations and building relationships with users over time. So see you in the next session where we will be building this foundational memory architecture.